Be Sure to Cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making a Coney dog, Coney style, my way. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to chop up, onion and garlic. So I'm going to go ahead. I've got some garlic here, and I'm going to just slice up some garlic. I got a half teaspoon of olive oil. Got my pan hot. I'm going to start putting my onions in there. I want them to start cooking immediately. I'm going to add the garlic in there, about a clove of garlic. I know I had 2 cloves, but one's fine. And I want my onions and my garlic to mix up. And let's start cooking that. I got a pound of ground beef that's going down in here with these onions. Pork. I'm going to start smashing and mixing all my meat together with the onions and everything. I want all that in there. Okay. I've got a tablespoon of tomato paste that I'm going to mix in here because I only got like a pound of hamburger. Okay, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. It's half teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of Mrs. Dash blend, 1/4 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1/8 teaspoon of allspice, 1/2 tablespoon of dark chili powder, and 1/2 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Okay, all those seasonings are going down. All those seasonings are getting mixed in there. Okay, I've got some kosher salt. We're going to add a little kosher salt in it. Maybe a pinch or 2. Okay, in a coney, people always use beef broth. But I use water and beef broth, so I am going to mix this very well. I've got a beef broth here that I'm using a low sodium beef broth because I've already put just about 1/4 teaspoon of salt in there. But a lot of people think things need salt, so it might not bother you to use whatever beef broth you want. So I got 1/2 cup of wonderful water, and I'm going to do the other 1/2 cup of this low sodium beef broth. Okay, so all together, this is 1 cup. Okay, now I'm going to pour this beef broth and water into my chili mix that I made. And remember, guys, this is still raw. So this is going to cook. Okay, so I'm turning this all the way up again, and this is going to be my Coney chili sauce. I've already made a different type of chili. I've made a hot dog chili earlier in a different show. You can always go to that show and look at that one compared to the one that I'm making. But I also want to introduce everybody with another. I want to make a Coney smoky dog. So I'm going to make a regular Coney dog, and then I'm going to show you my Coney smoky dog. So it's going to be in this show. So I'm making 2 different, and I'm going to be using this. Okay, I got a whole tablespoon of chili base to go in here to enhance this even more better. And I'm going to whip this up, and it's cooking. Okay, so it's been cooking. I did take the top off for a long time. I'm just now putting the top back on it. And this is my chili sauce. It's been cooking for about 30 minutes, just cooking all that water and liquid away. And there it is. Okay, I've got my chili. still nice. And look at it, it's still hot, and I'm trying for it to cool down. I've got my all beef hot dog that I'm gonna lay on this wonderful bun that I got. I like it because it's pretty, it looks nice, and just love it. And I'm gonna lay this down, and this is my Coney chili that we made. I'm gonna get a scoop, and I'm gonna lay my Coney chili down on my hot dog here. Make sure it's nice and covered. Well, let's make sure it's nice and covered. And I'm going to add these. You remember those onions that I fixed earlier? And I took half of them and I kept half. This is the extra half, but I chopped these so thin. So good and so thin. And here we go. We're going to lay those down on there. I like onions, so I like extra. So that's extra onions because I love. My two favorite when I'm eating a chili dog or I'm eating a ham sandwich or something is I have to have mustard and onions. I got my mustard going down on this hot dog. Okay, I'm going to be using the same soft bun. And here is my smoked sausage that has cheese inside and jalapeno peppers. And this is my smoky dog. I'm going to put this on the same bun. You can do any bun you want. You just don't have to use my bun. Okay, on this, I'm going to add the mustard at the bottom of this because it just does right with the bottom, especially on this one because this is an actual smoky dog. I'm going to use the same Coney chili as I use on my Coney all beef hot dog. There you go. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add onions right on here, just like I did the Coney dog. It's still the same thing, and it's so delicious. But the next thing I'm going to do that's a little bit different, guys, I'm going to add cheese. I'm going to add a triple cheese on top of this, and I'm going to put this just in the microwave for about 20 seconds just to melt that cheese and get this nice and toasty and good. Hey guys, I hope you like both of these. And I thought I would kick it in and throw my smoky Coney dog. So you have two different, but the Coney dog is the star of the show. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Coney Dogs. I hope you like it and I hope you come back. Because guess what? I didn't make this alone. You and me, we made these together. And we will make plenty more. Hey, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And come back so we can make plenty more. See you next time. Bye.